This is the Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament in Pampanga. Welcome to the 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup Elimination Round as we are live here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga for the game number 4 for our weekend ball action. As we can see here, Kid Estalilia and the rest of the Angeles City Red Warriors. At haharapin nila dito, itong MABALACAT City MCG Cares with John Paul Maliari, who step up for their game last time, our game at hand. Angeles City Red Warriors kontra MABALACAT City MCG Cares. Isang magandang hapon po mga kabalen. Ako po ang inyong makakasama, Penelope Wilhelmina, and together with me manning the sidelines is MJ Raimundo. You will hear from her later on. And of course, bago po ang lahat, pwede nyo pong tutukan itong Delta Cup sa Pampanga PIO Facebook page at meron din pong YouTube channel ang Pampanga. Of course, at Pampanga_PIO at pwede nyo rin po itong tutukan sa YouTube channel ng broadcast partner itong Delta Cup at Sinag Liga TV. But before everything else, tingnan muna natin kung nasaan na ba sa team standings itong dalawang koponan na maglalaban. Itong Angeles City Red Warriors still on the top seed of Bracket A with 6 wins and 1 losses. Samantalang itong MABALACAT City MCG Cares ay nandito sila. Tie sila nitong Magalang Basketball on the 7th spot. So if in any case that they won, magtatay naman sila nitong I Love San Simon sa ating 5th seed at may iwan dito yung Magalang on the 7th seed. Of course, hindi na natin ito patatagalin pa. I'm now turning you. Coming up is the battle between Angeles City Red Warriors kontra MABALACAT City MCG Cares. And now I'm turning you over to Marna T for our Delta Cup starters of the game.
Good afternoon, Delta Cup fans. Welcome to BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City of Pampanga. Our next game is the battle between Angeles City Red Warriors versus MABALACAT City MCG Cares. And now, let's meet the starters for this game. For Angeles City Red Warriors, power forward number 31, Sam De Jesus. Center number 28, Paul Lagman. Point guard number 7, UJ Rojas. Small forward number 19, John De Guzman. And shooting guard number 21, John Martinez. Your head coach for Angeles City Red Warriors is John Ocampo. Assistant coaches, Javier Cruz, Eric Maliari, and Earl Morales. Team manager, Val Peña. And that's your Angeles City Red Warriors. For your MABALACAT City MCG Cares, forward number 10, Miko Tupino. Point guard number 6, Geoff Dison. Center number 32, Jennifer Manalo. Point guard number 19, Rainier Bansagan. And center number 23, Denson Liscano. Head coach for MABALACAT City, Homer Pascual. Assistant coaches, Ronel Lansang, Roland Pascual, and Jordan Viray, and June Dueñas. And that's your MABALACAT City MCG Cares. Our officials for today, Ches Boras, Dennis Escaros, and Willie Hibe.
And of course here, the starters for Angeles City Red Warriors, we have here Rojas, De Guzman, Martinez, Lagman, and De Jesus. At para sa panig ng Mabalacat, we have here Dizon, Tipino, David, Lescano, and Manalo. Very rare not to see a starter, Kid Estalilla, para dito sa panig ng Angeles City Red Warriors. Para pole possession for Mabalacat City. As Tipino passes it. But the ball, I believe, bounces out para dito sa panig ng Mabalacat City. And turnover para dito sa Angeles City Red Warriors. Rojas passes it to Martinez. Back to Martinez. Martinez, nice pass there to VJ Rojas. VJ Rojas for three, no good. Balik dito ang possession sa Mabalacat. Rebound there by Lescano. Three-pointer is no good para dito kay David. And that shot is good para dito sa Mabalacat City. De Guzman passes it to Rojas. Rojas to Paul Lagman. Sam De Jesus. Medyo kinapo siya doon. Dizon passes it to Tipino. Back to Dizon. Ang layo nun. That's no good for Joff Dizon of Mabalacat City. 8 minutes and 27 seconds as we can see here. Head coach John Ocampo of Angeles City Red Warriors. Balik dito. Ang bola kay Martinez. Martinez to De Guzman. De Guzman for three. And he cooks a three-point dish in there. Para dito kay John De Guzman, the first three-point shot of the ballgame. Nice pass there and a nice underneath basket para dito kay Benson Lescano. Let me correct it. It's not a three-point shot for John De Guzman. It's only a two-point shot dahil he stepped on the line. You can see here. You can see that beautiful pass and a good underneath basket para kay Benson Lescano. A good pass there for Joff Dizon. Bonus free throw para dito kay VJ Rojas. That bonus free throw was good. 6-4. 7 minutes and 25 seconds lamang dito ang Angeles City. What a move there by Benson Lescano. The second point of the ball game. We're tied at 6. 7 minutes and 8 seconds. Three-pointer is short for John Martinez. Oh, but a steal there para dito kay John De Guzman. Pass to Martinez. Martinez. Good block there para dito sa Mabalacat. Joff Dizon. Dizon passes it to Rainier Bansangan. And an easy basket para dito kay Bansangan. Rojas. Martinez. Martinez to Rojas again. To Paul Lagman. Lagman against the three guards. Oh, a nice pass there from John Martinez. And that jumper is good for Sam De Jesus. So good to see this guy step up. Kahit wala dito sa loob ang kanilang go-to guy, an all-around guy, Kid Estalilla. As a miss there for Dizon. But a rebound there para dito sa panig ng Mabalacat. They can go here for a three-point shot. It's no good. But it's out of bounds. As we can see here, head coach Omar Pascual, as we take a look at this beautiful pass for Sam De Jesus. Ito ni John De Guzman. Nice assist. Care of John De Guzman. VJ Rojas to Sam De Jesus. Oh, a nice pass there. Pero naagaw yun dito ng Mabalacat. Basangan. What a good move from Rainier Basangan in there. Dikit lang ang laban natin dito. 5 minutes and 27 seconds. Lamang ulit ng dalawa ang Mabalacat City. The Guzman. He can go here for a quick 2. As I mentioned, the jumper is no good, but the putback there by Paul Lagman. It's also a sorry miss for him. Here, Dizon. Dizon passes it. Back to Liscano. Liscano jumper. It's good for Benson. Liscano, his third basket of the quarter. 6 points for Benson Liscano. 4 minutes and 52 seconds. Sam De Jesus. Nice pass there to VJ Rojas. Okay, on the box. Let's take a look here. That pass for Benson Liscano rather. The jumper is good for him. Here again, Dizon. Dizon, nice pass to Liscano. And another underneath basket para dito kay Benson Liscano. 8 points for this ball game para dito kay Benson Liscano of Mabalacat City. MCG cares. 4 minutes and 32 seconds. Time out on the floor, 14-8. 4 minutes and 32 seconds remaining as we take a look here, mga kasinag. SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinag-asia-sport@gmail.com or send us a message through our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asia. As lagi po namin binabanggit ni Enzo, the Pampanga Delta team is now back to defend their crown sa ating Born 2001 Cup. Babalik sila dito para sa ating 23-19 under as we take a look back here. Martinez and a nice block there. Para dito kay Manalo, Genrive Manalo of Mabalacat City. As an inbound here, Tipino. Tipino back to Joff Dizon. Sandali lang daw, sabi ni Dizon. The ball back sa kamay nito ni Dizon. What will Dizon do? Nice pass there. Libreng-libre yon. Oh, what a nice no-look pass there para dito kay Rainier Basangan. But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, para sa report niya sa parehang kumpanan for this first quarter. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Pen. Both teams gusto manalo at gusto paigtiin ang depensa. According to Coach Homer Pascual ng Team Mabalacat, kahit alam niyang very tough ang kalaban nila, they will still work hard and remain focused. Kahit pa dalawa sa wingman niya ang hindi makakalaro ngayon na si John Paul Maliari at MU Elospa dahil may prior commitment ang mga ito. Enjoy lang nila, i-work hard at gawin yung role nila para makuha ang panalo. Ayon naman sa star player ng Angeles na si Kid Estalilia, siya ang magiging leader sa game nila ngayon. Kailangan nilang dumepensa at mag-teamwork. At tatlo din sa players ng Angeles ang wala, pero hindi nawawala ng pag-asa si Coach John Ocampo, ang kanilang head coach dahil sabi niya, defensive mindset ang kailangan nila ngayon at ang mga big man niya ang inaasahang mag-step up. Back to you, Pen.
Thank you so much, MJ. As MJ mentioned there, John Paul Maliari and MJ Elospa, the players who step up for Mabalacat on their last game last week. A big miss dito para dito kay head coach Homer Pascual, but then still you're facing Kid Estalilia as he checks back in here para dito sa panig ng Angeles City Red Warriors. This kid is very different. His former teammates ito Itong si Kid Estalilia, itong si MJ Elospa, JP Maliari for Luid 1 Kapampangan. Mga players for Coach Jonathan Buwan. So they're very much familiar at the jumper. Is good para dito kay Jacob Valoria as he checks in for this ballgame. Hintay sarado. Ditong si Nico Tipino. Sir Joff Dizon. Almost a swipe there para kay Kid Estalilia. No good in there. 2 minutes and 27 seconds. 14-10 in favor of Mabalacat City. MCG cares. As we take a look here at what happened there. Merong tapik kasi dito si Ramil Balantad as he checks in para dito sa panig ng Angeles City Red Warriors coming off the bench. And that rewards Dizon a bonus free throw. Almost goes in, but 0 out of 2 para dito kay Joff Dizon. The absence of MJ Alospa and JP Malyari is a big factor para dito sa panig ng Mabalacat City. As 0 out of 2 para dito kay Joff Dizon as Tipino. Tipino, no good for 3. Sam De Jesus for the rebound in there. Kid Estalilia. What a swipe there, as I mentioned earlier. Big loss talaga itong pagka wala ni JP Malyari and MJ Alospa for today's ball game. Kasi iba din talaga kapag andito yung dalawang sentro na to for head coach Omar Pascual. But then if you're facing against Kid Estalilia and the aggressive guards netong Angeles City Red Warriors, you just have to put your best defensive plays in order to stop them. As here's off Dizon. Nice pass there to Genevieve Manalo. 1 minute and 49 seconds. 16-10, 6 ang kalamangan dito ng Mabalacat City. The jumper is good for Sam De Jesus. One minute and 34 seconds. 12-16. So we take a look at that pass of Valoria to Sam De Jesus. And the jumper, libreng-libre dito si Sam De Jesus. It's an advantage for him. Because the field goal percentage of this guy, Sam De Jesus, is very much high for this tournament. And the traveling violation there for Genevieve Manalo. An inbound for the side of Angeles City Red Warriors, Jacob Valoria. Oh, but a swipe there by Tipino. Wala nakaabang doon na players or teammate neto ni Valoria. Na good 3-point shot there by Joff Dizon. This guy is not just playing a best point guard para dito sa panig ng Mabalacat, but then if we needed to score, he will score. As a rebound there for Genevieve Manalo. Dizon nagbababa ulit ng bola dito. Manalo passes it. The rebound there. Valoria. What will Valoria do? Passes it. And it's an easy basket para dito kay Edward Timbol. Arcilia passes it to Joff Dizon. Tipino rather. Near Dizon. Back again to Tipino. And that jumper is good para dito kay Kevin Tolentino coming off the bench. Mabalacat City. 1 second. It's almost a good shot para dito kay Jacob Valoria. What a first quarter para dito. Sa panig ng Mabalacat City, hindi nila iniinda ang pagkawala ng isa sa mga star players nila na si MJ Alospa. We take a look here at the first quarter highlight. That 3-point shot there by John De Guzman, of first 3-point shot of the quarter. If you take a look here by Benson Liscano, his drives there make them yung point advantage nila dito, napalaki nila into 7 points. So his underneath easy basket para dito kay Benson Liscano of Mabalacat City. Ang magandang hugot para dito kay Coach Omar Pascual of Mabalacat City. MCG cares. In line with that, 7-point advantage ang meron dito para sa panig ng City of Mabalacat, 21-14. We take here a look at Benson Lescano, already scored 8 points for this ball game. Those underneath, already 8 points, 2 rebounds, and 1 block for Benson Lescano. It's underneath an easy layup, easy basket. Makes them have a 7-point lead advantage. His aggressiveness for this first quarter. So take a look here. Still contemplating on what more can he add in the absence of MJ Elospa and JP Maliari. So we are now back at the second quarter of this ball game, 21-14, a 7-point advantage para dito sa panig ng Mabalacat City. Inbound para dito sa panig ng Angeles City, Estalilia to Jacob Baloria. Baloria to Edward Timbol. He can go here for a quick 2, and that move is good for Edward Timbol. Dizon. Arcilia to Nico Tipino. Back to Arcilia. Back again to Tipino. Back again to their point guard, Geoff Dizon. 3-point shot. No good. But a rebound there para dito kay Genrive Manalo. Balik dito kay Arcilia. Balik kay Dizon. Dizon passes it to Nico Tipino. Nico Tipino cooks a 3, but it's short for Nico Tipino. Nagagawan sila dito, but still nakuha pa rin ito ni Geoff Dizon. Oh, nice fake there by Geoff Dizon. Almost an easy putback there para dito kay Genrive Manalo, and a nice contest for Paul Lagman. This must have been an easy ball game para dito sa panig ng Angeles City Red Warriors, knowing that this Mabalacat City doesn't have JP Maliari and MJ Elospa once again, as that first free throw is no good for Genrive Manalo. One out of 2 for Genrive Manalo, 22-16. An inbound for Angeles City Red Warriors. Eugene Peña checks in for this ball game. Estalilia. Kid has been so quiet for quite a while. Estalilia against the defenders. Passes it to Jacob Baloria. Still no good for Jacob Baloria. Dizon. Who will they go to? Tipino. Nice pass there to Genrive Manalo. A nice wipe there para dito kay Edward Timbol. 8 minutes and 39 seconds. As an inbound for Tipino. The blocking foul there. Sabi pa, parang bumubulong pa dun si Kid Estalilia ng bola daw eh. Then, let's take a look at this replay. Trying to mama doon sa kamay neto ni Genrive Manalo. Arcilia rather. Ito ni Kim Arcilia. It's 0 of 2, but almost a steal there para dito sa panig ng Mabalacat City. Jacob Baloria. Oh, a nice pass there to Paul Lagman. It must have been an easy putback para dito kay Paul Lagman, but they're contested basket para sa kanya. But still, got rewarded by a free throw. As the aggressive Benson Lescano checks in para dito kay Genrive Manalo. Paul Lagman, 0 out of 2 para dito kay Paul Lagman. One thing, if gusto nilang makadikit dito sa Mabalacat City, ang free throw shots ang pinaka-importante para sa kanila. As 0 out of 2 talaga. para dito kay Paul Lagman. Dizon here. Pass to Tipino. To the aggressive guy, Lescano. Back to Dizon. He's going for a 3 right here. Tipino cooks a 3, but still no good. Pero nakuha dito ni Kim Arcilla. Back to Dizon. Dizon, another 3, but a contested 3 there para dito kay Geoff Dizon. Anim pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Mabalacat City. 7 minutes and 52 seconds. An inbound. Para dito sa Mabalacat City. With 7 seconds remaining on their shot clock. Kim Arcilla, a 3-point shot there with no hesitation and whatsoever. He founds at the bottom of the net. Kim Arcilla. Estalilia, what a nice move by Kid Estalilia in there. But a sorry miss for him. Mukhang hindi swerte ang shooting neto ni Estalilia para sa ball game nila ngayon. What a heartbreaking loss para dito sa Angeles City yung last game nila against Level Up Lubao. He faced off there against the very own Mythical 5 awardee, CJ Delfino of Pampanga Delta during the Sinagliga Asia-born 2001 Cup. Let's see here if he can bounce back for today's ball game. Jump ball. Nice defense para dito sa panig ng Angeles City Red Warriors. Dizon again. Nice pass there by Dizon. The aggressive guy, Lescano. Still no good. Kuha dito ni Jacob Valoria. Pero na-swipe ito ng Mabalacat. Back to their point guard. Nice pass by Geoff Dizon. But that jumper is no good para dito sa Mabalacat. This guy, Geoff Dizon, stepping up in the absence of their very own JP Malyari and MJ Elospa. His great eyes para makita ang mga libre niyang teammate na papasahan. 6 minutes and 52 seconds remaining. Kid Estalilia. To Jensen Henson. That is no good for Henson. Here's the aggressive guy, Lescano. Lescano. Almost a miss there, pero nakuha ng teammate niya. But I think there's a foul in there. A foul against Venson Lescano. 25 to 18, 6 minutes and 21 seconds remaining. Kid Estalilia trying to have a screen in there. Paul Lagman, no good. Uha dito ni Kim Arcilla. Balik dito sa Mabalacat City ang possession. JD David. Back to David. Back to the Lescano guy. 3-point shot is no good. Estalilia against one defender. That's good for John Martinez. Nice assist there from Kid Estalilia. 3 versus 1. Let's take a look here at the replay. Isa lang yung bantay nila dito eh. Then, nakakuha pa ng foul dito. Itong si John Martinez. What a selfless play para dito kay Kid Estalilia. As that bonus free throw is good para dito kay John Martinez. 5 minutes and 46 seconds. 4 na lang ang kalamangan dito ng Mabalacat City MCG Cares. As time out on the floor, 25 to 21. As 5 minutes and 46 seconds remaining, but let's now turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, for her report dito kay Javier Cruz of Angeles City Red Warriors. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Pen. During their huddle, tinanong ko nga itong si Assistant Coach Javier Cruz ng Team Angeles kung anong adjustments ang gagawin nila dahil medyo nalalamangan na sila ng Mabalacat. Sabi niya sa akin, focus more on defense at gawin lang nila ng maayos ang sistema para hindi kami matambakan. Balik sa'yo, Pen.
Thank you so much, MJ. Defense, that's always what any coaches, even though I'm still on manning the sidelines like MJ, that's always what I'm hearing dito sa mga coaches It's always the defense. Kasi once na mayroon kang maayos na depensa, there's always a follow-up, of course. Magkakaroon ka na ng kumpiyansa para sa magandang opensa. As that free throw is good para dito kay Genriv Manalo. Balik sa 5 ang kalamangan dito ng Mabalacat. There's a rebound there para dito kay John Martinez. Henson, nagbababa dito ng bola. Balik dito kay Martinez. Balik dito kay Estalilia against Kevin Tolentino. Pero naagaw yun dito ni Genriv Manalo. A good work there para kay Genriv Manalo, but a foul there para kay John Martinez. 5 minutes and 9 seconds remaining. This Mabalacat City team comes from a winning momentum, samantalang itong Angeles City Red Warriors is coming from a heartbreaking loss. And that jumper is good para dito kay Kevin Tolentino. Kaya gigil itong mga players ng Angeles City talaga nung makabawi That three-point shot is no good for Henson. Tolentino passes it to David. David to Arcilia. Arcilia back it. Balik dito kay David to Tolentino. Nice pass there. And what an underneath basket para dito kay Genriv Manalo. A different intensity and plays ang pinapakita dito ng Mabalacat City MCG Cares. It's very obvious na pinaghandaan nila itong face-off nila against Angeles City Red Warriors kahit wala ang kanilang big guys si JP Maliari at si MJ Elospa. But another steal there, Kid Estalilia. Libreng-libre doon si Estalilia and an easy basket there for Kid Estalilia. 30-23. 3 minutes and 43 seconds. Still there again. Pero nabalik ng Mabalacat dito sa kanilang mga kamay ang ating basketball. But then the possession favors now. As we take a look here, that nice pass there from Kid Estalilia makes him good for that easy layup. As I've mentioned earlier, Kid Estalilia has been quiet for quite a while right now. Henson to Estalilia. Estalilia, jumper. No good. Tapik dito ni Sam De Jesus, pero rebound dito ni JD David. Pero tawagan dito ng foul si Henson. This is quite a good game actually. Because these two teams I have ever covered, they were the best defensive team para dito sa ating bracket A nitong Delta Cup. Together rather with Evel Up Lubao. That's based from my observation sa mga past games nila. But that bonus free throw is no good para dito sa Mabalacat City. Paul Lagman. As you can see here, showing a little emotion in there. An inbound para dito sa Mabalacat. 13 seconds remaining. A three-pointer, no good. Para dito kay JD David. Ang kailangan kasing ingatan dito ng Mabalacat City is their three-point shots eh. They're not well known. As I've mentioned, ito nga ang Angeles City Red Warriors kasi. You have their Sam De Jesus, you have their Kid Estalilia. Kapag nag-init itong mga players ng Angeles City Red Warriors, their field goal will go on point and will go beyond the limit. As here, Henson. Henson, nice pass there. And a good jumper there. Para dito kay John De Guzman. Yun ang sinasabi ko kanina. Na pag nag-init itong mga players ng Angeles City Red Warriors, let's expect a better ball game, a better offense para dito sa panig ng Angeles City. At that point is good para dito kay John De Guzman. Another jumper is good para dito kay John De Guzman. Diba? That kid. If Kid Estalilia has no shooting, he can go always to John De Guzman as timeout on the floor. 30-28, dalawa na lang ang kalamangan dito ng Mabalacat City. And of course, pwede niyo pong tutukan itong Delta Cup 2023 to 2024 sa ating Pampanga PIO Facebook page. So we can see here, mga fans dito. Netong Angeles City Red Warriors, I can see them sitting behind the bench netong ating Angeles City Red Warriors. And of course, itong mga supporters natin dito sa loob ng ating BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Henson, Estalilia for three. It's short for Estalilia. Nakuha dito